Today in this video, I'm going to talk about a powerful app that you should have if you make notes. Not only that, the apps comes with Kanban board, table, gallery, list, whatever you want. It will help you to manage your thing in a better way. And the app that I am talking with you about is none other than Notion app. So let's see how we can download and install it in Windows device to elevate our productivity. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so here we go. Here we are in our computer screen. And first thing what I'm gonna do here is I am going to open my internet browser. Now let's look for Notion app. So I'm gonna type Notion app download. And here we have got this available not only for Windows but for other platforms like Mac as well. Now you can either download it directly or you can also download it from Microsoft Store. So it is totally up to you how you would like to download. Okay, so now here I just clicked on download and here I can see the process of download has begun. And in fact, we already have downloaded the installer. So let's make double click on it. And there we go. We are about to install Notion in our system. And finally, we have installed it. Now let's go here and hit that Windows button. And now let me type here Notion. And there we go. Now here what you need to do is you need to use any of these methods to sign in. So let's go with Google here. And I'm gonna choose my ID. So this is, I would say, is straightforward process. Now let's click here on open. And there we go. So here you can see we are now in Notion app. Now here you can see it is also powered by AI. So let me click here on try AI notes. And I guess here after clicking on start transcribing, it can actually record the notes and further I guess should be able to transcribe. So let me click here on stop now. Now here we can see this is what we got, a complete summary of what we said. Now apart from that, when you click here on home, here you're gonna see there are different options. Not only you can create a note here, but you can also create a table, a project and so on. And here we can also see some of previously created tasks and projects. So let's say you want to create a new project. So all you need to do is you need to click here on project. And probably you can click here on this plus. When you click here on plus, you can see here you will be starting with project template where you can provide about this project, project task and many other options. Now here you're gonna see all different kind of things that you can do, starting from quick note to personal home list to task list to general and so on. All you need to do is you need to see what kind of template or what kind of section you need, and it could be a mix of multiple section as well. And that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.